VexCode IQ blocks can wirelessly download projects on tablet devices using a Vex IQ smart radio installed in your Vex IQ brain. Before you can wirelessly download a project, you will need to set up your Vex IQ brain to enable wireless communication. First, power on your Vex IQ brain and press the X button to open the settings menu. Next, using the up and down buttons, move the menu selector to the radio data setting. Make sure the radio data option is turned on by using the check button. You can see that radio data is enabled when the arrow icon on the top of the Vex IQ brain screen appears. Finally, using the up and down buttons, move the menu selector to the System Info setting. Press the check button to open System Info. Inside of System Info, you will need the ID number of your Vex IQ brain. Make a note of this ID number as you will use it in the next part. Your Vex IQ brain is now set up and ready for wireless downloading. Back on your tablet, open the brain menu inside VexCode IQ blocks. Next, select the plus sign to add a brain ID. Enter the ID number of your Vex IQ brain and select Submit. Your tablet will begin searching for your Vex IQ brain. Wireless connections usually take a few seconds to connect. Once connected, the brain menu icon will become green and the radio data arrow on the Vex IQ brain will be bolded. Your Vex IQ brain is now wirelessly connected to your tablet. You can wireless download your project using the download button, and a progress bar will appear to show download progress.